Dear students, this is week 14, 4.3, cross product of vectors, and 4.4, lines and planes in space. We are going to discuss these two sections in this week. The cross product, the vector in space that is orthogonal to two given vectors. Note, while the dot product was a scalar and the cross product is a vector. In the last week, we have studied about dot product. That dot product is about scalar, and this cross product is a vector. The cross product of u and v is the vector u cross v. It is not u multiply v. We say that u cross v. The cross product of two vectors, unlike the dot product, represents a vector. U cross v is equal to determinant. This is determinant first row I, j, k, second row u1, u2, u3, and third row v1, v2, v3. Always the first row is I, j, k, and second one is u. This is u1, u2, u3. We know that how we represent u equal to u1i plus u2j plus u3k. So same, then v is nothing but v1i plus v2j plus v3k. So we can write u cross v is equal to modulus ijk, determinant ijk, u1, u2, u3, and v1, v2, v3. This cross product is formed by taking this determinant. The properties of the cross product: if u, v, w be the vectors in the space and r, s be the scalars, then ru cross sv equal to rs multiply u cross v. Then u cross u plus v equal to u cross v plus u cross w, and v plus w cross u equal to v cross u plus w cross u, and u cross v is equal to minus v cross u, and u cross v equal to 0. It means that vectors u and v are parallel, and u cross 0 is equal to 0. So these are some properties of the cross product. The cross product of the unit vectors, let I, j, and k be the standard unit vectors in the space. Then I cross I equal to 0, j cross j equal to 0, k cross k is also equal to 0. The basis vectors are connected by the cyclic permutation of vector products. It is a cycle. So first see the cycle here. I see the clockwise direction, I, j, then is k, then it is I, j, k, like this. So I cross j, so it should be equal to k. Then what is the j cross k? J cross k should be equal to I, and k cross I is equal to j. Suppose if it is in the opposite side, what will be the answer for I cross k? I cross k, it means it is minus j. It is not in clockwise, it is in anti-clockwise, so we write minus j. So this is the way of writing I cross j equal to k, j cross I should be equal to minus k, and j cross k equal to I, and what will be k cross j? It should be minus I, and k cross I is equal to j. Then what will be I cross k? It is minus j. Calculating the cross product by using the determinant, if u equal to u1, u2, u3, and is equal to u1i plus u2j plus u3k, and v equal to v1, v2, v3, or we can write v1i plus v2j plus v3k, then u cross v is equal to determinant I, j, k, u1, u2, u3, v1, v2, v3. We know how to expand this determinant in our matrices and determinants in the beginning of the math for IT syllabus. We have, I think, the first chapter we have studied about the matrices and determinants. So we know how to expand this determinant. So we just expand this determinant and we get our answer for U cross B. For example, find U cross B and V cross U if U equal to 2, 1, 1 and V equal to minus 4, 3 and 1. So what is your U cross B? U cross B equal to determinant ijk, then 2, 1, 1, then last row is minus 4, 3 and 1. So we write this, we expand this determinant and we get 1 minus 3 into I minus 2 into 2 plus 4 into j plus 6 plus 4 into k. So when we expand this, we get minus 2i minus 6j plus 10k. This can be written as minus 2 minus 6 and 10. So now what they are asking, this is for U cross V, and they are asking us to find what is V cross U. V cross U means we know the rule, U cross V equal to minus V cross U. So we write minus of minus 2i minus 6j plus 10k. Take this minus and bring inside and multiply with each term. So we get 2i plus 6j minus 10k. So which is equal to 2, 6 and minus 10. So this is the way of writing. So first we find what is our U cross V. U cross V, we know how to write the determinant and we know how to expand this determinant. We just made it as determinant 1, 1, 3, 1 I minus 2, 1 minus 4 j plus 2, 1 minus 4, 3 k. We know how to expand this 2 by 2 determinant. So we expand this 2 by 2 determinant and we get minus 2i minus 6j plus 10k. So, and it can be put it in the triplet form. So minus 2, minus 6 and 10. And this is the first part. The second part is they are asking us to find what is V cross U. So we know how to find V cross U. It is nothing but minus U cross V. So we write minus of minus 2i minus 6j plus 10k is equal to 2i plus 6j minus 10k is equal to 2, 6 minus 10. Same like example 2, U cross V and V cross U if U equal to 1, 2 minus 1 and V equal to minus 2, 2, 2. So what is your U cross V? So we know the determinant U, the first row is ijk, second row is 1, 2 minus 1, third row minus 2, 2, 2. Expand this determinant and we get, and expand this determinant first, then we know how to expand this 2 by 2 determinant. So it is 4 plus 2 into I minus 2 minus 2j plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so we can simplify this very easy for us. 4 plus 2 is 6i minus 0j plus 2 plus 4 is 6k, and it can be written as 6, 0, 6. And we know how to find what is our V cross U. V cross U is minus of U cross V. So we know this rule, V cross U equal to minus of U cross V. So we write minus of 6i minus 0j plus 6k. Take this minus and multiply with each term. So we get minus 6i plus 0j minus 6k. So we write minus 6, 0, minus 6. This is the way to find V cross U. Then example 3, it is same like our previous problems. What is U cross V and V cross U? If U equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k and V equal to 3i plus j plus 7k. So we know how to expand this U cross V is equal to determinant ijk, and the first you take U, it's what are the elements 2, 3 and 6. So next row V elements are 3, 1, 7, and we know how to expand this determinant, and we simplify this 2 by 2 determinant. It is 21 minus 6I minus 14 minus 18j plus 2 minus 9k, so is equal to 15I plus 4j minus 7k, which is equal to 54 minus 7. And what is our V cross U? As same like our previous problem, V cross U equal to minus of U cross V, so we get minus of 15I plus 4j minus 7k, which is equal to minus 15I minus 4j plus 7k, which is equal to minus 15 minus 4 and 7.